No, don't bump it too much.
Yeah.
All right,
Rip that
Jay.
shit off.
Hold on, let me record this. Hold on. No, not yet. Don't start.
Yes.
Wait.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
A
Bigger TV for your room.
Yes. It's a 50 inch.
Yeah, you got
Yeah, Mike.
You
Grandma
on
said
my
she's
level.
gonna mount it on the wall for you.
Yep.
Wow, Mikey.
Y'all on my level. On my level. Thanks, Mike.
It's gonna be good for your game.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, Mike.
Yeah,
Show me his big one.
Yeah, let Big
Big
Mike.
Mike,
Oh, I got a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that one for you.
Yep. Daddy, your turn.
I got you and Mikey after Kim
Let me get
says.
out
I
the way.
got
I got everybody else.
No, I got you and Mikey. I got your gift actually coming.
My gift is just something.
Huh?
I didn't see this last night.
I got to stand up for this one.
Why you got two different gift wraps?
You know what? It's too big.
It wouldn't
Pour
take
away,
it
pour
off. Taylor said I'm so rich.
Get the ripping, hubby. Get the ripping. You. Ooh. Yeah, hubby bite. Yes, you do.
The picture's on the side of the
He's
box.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah, you know what that is?
but the thing is, you kind of have to assemble it.
Right.
It's one of them big goop.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Got your bite.
You're welcome.
Ha ha ha.
Like, Jada, you're right,
Later.
Big Mike, I'm cash apping you some money.
My gift somewhere.
Big Mike, I'm getting it now.
Y'all get out the way.
Okay, y'all sit the fuck.
Hey, now it's
Yep.
It was me.
Jada.
Yeah. Them
All right.
damn black bugs. Yeah.
That's their day.
I got this from Macy's. Here, this over here. I got this from Macy's. I was kind of thoughtful because I saw. Open that shit, nigga.
Not too much.
Open it.
Gonna open this.
Nigga, ever that shit now.
Oh my gosh. Here's Jada.
Nice package.
Let me give y'all my embarrassing gift.
You got a Barbie.
No, but you'll see the color of it. It will.
Nice.
It will match your purse.
Oh shit, thanks, Tawana.
Yeah, look, nigga.
I got a Michael Kors headset.
I know.
And it does match my purse.
I know, that's why I looked at Sunday.
Oh, that's gonna look good.
Bruh. Huh?
That's gonna look good.
I know, that's what I paid.
Christmas
I
gift,
paid
but-
$98.
Oh,
for
Lord.
shit. I got a
Y'all drop.
$98. That.
Yes, thanks. Here, put out your gift
Yeah, that's why I
right
said,
here.
let me get that. I couldn't find a wallet, bitch, so I just got that.
That is nice.
Hold on.
You can wear it with it.
Jalen. First one.
That's mine.
Jada.
Come on.
What, you take my phone over here?
I love bracelets.
Yeah, I think so.
Is it up there?
It's up there.
No, this is marbles.
Oh,
I got bracelets.
Here. Not right there.
oh, guys.
Felicia, where my gift at?
I got bracelets. Mom.
Huh?
Mom.
Let me see.
I got bracelets.
I know. Juicy Couture bracelets. Nice.
I can get my little Christmas
Yep.
gift right here.
Thank you, Aunt. I love it. So beautiful.
One is from Daddy and Mommy.
Thank you.
Huh? What's me? It hurt my
Nah,
neck.
this is from
I know. Oh, damn. It's so heavy.
Ma, open it up.
Who's
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. Now I'm about to open up my gift. What? What is that? Yes.